So here I'm discussing about that how to make your own logo. Logo will be differ size will be called 500 by 500. But here we can set it by the 512 by 512 is a pixel given by the Canva. We can resize for that logo also. What is the common logo size? 512 by 512. This is the logo size here. We can give by 500 by 500. But common size will be 512 by 512. So any logo we can make it using for Canva here. First of all, log in your account using Gmail. If any time, first time open in Canva, will be like this. Canva.com. Your logo, your wish. See this one. Log in your Gmail and password, or else sign in with two options, Facebook or Gmail. Your wish. You can log in any option. Now here, just create design. We can make n number of postings. YouTube thumbnail, Twitter post, logo, Twitter post here. Here, Twitter post will be both the same size. 1020 divided by 512. Facebook cover image 820 by 312 pixel. Your video, if you make the Facebook cover image, the size will be 820 by 312 pixel. That is your Facebook cover image size. But I can making logo here. So what is the logo size? 500 by 500. Now click this option. Here, when you click the logo option, they can give the sample logo options. Where? In the right corner. You can using these options. Only free option we can use. See this one. These are free. Free. Out of this one, which is you can interest, you can take by sample logo here. You can make it on your own logo. So first of all, I can go down here. I can select any one. So here, I'm set only for free versions. Just I'm going to back down. Now, if you're not interested in this one, go to the elements. Here, free photos. These are the free photos here. I mark down your logo. Suppose here I'm selecting for layout option. So I'm taking one sample option here. You can go with this option called is it here? Now in this option, we can add for GR. So I go with the 28. It's fixed. Now you can writing for my name, Digital Rakesh. I'm changing size here. Because it's true. Then here, now this flower color will be here. Just check. I'm going to my own color. This one. Clear? Suppose if you change your background, so I'm going to the play back. You go to the Control Z, then it will be like this. So based on interest, you can add by your logo colors. Now here, if you add any icons about digital marketing, just come to here, search for digital marketing, select, go to images, tools, size, option call is icon. In this option call, we can select any option here. So Suppose you can add my photograph. Suppose here, you can add your photograph also. Your interest logo will be. So I can change my icon here. Just save image. Where using desktop name. Done. Just here. Remove this one. Upload here. Where the document will be. E drive name. After uploading, just click done. See here. If you add any photographs, just click here. If I add my photograph, this one, select it. So done. Make a logo. Mr. Rakesh. Download using with always three options: JPG, PNG, and PDF. PDF purpose of standard for Xerox purpose or printout purpose. I go to only for PNG. Click for download. How much time we can take the logo for download? Fraction of second. Making for fraction of seconds. Download will be fraction of seconds. So your logo making based on your select your layouts. Only select for free layouts. Suppose you go with the premium. So in this one we can go scroll here. Any number of logos will be free here. You can take any kind of logo. You can make down your own logo here. Just scroll down. Scroll down. See how many logos are free. See, these are the free logos. It's clear. This is called making logo using Canva. Only for using free versions only. Is it clear? This is called making the logo using canva.com.